USD CAD was in a downtrend in 4-ish time frame, but then I see it makes a 1 2 3 move in the upward direction, and then as expected it entered into a pullback phase. But when it turned back up to make a new higher high after making this new lower low, the price failed to make a new higher high and dropped down drastically. Now, what could be the next expected move of the price? Will it continue the main trend, or we are going to have a double bottom here at this level and price will shoot afterwards? Let's try to find out the answers of these questions in this video. I'm going to bring you the detailed technical analysis of USD CAD today in this video. If it is interesting to you, hit that subscribe button, click bell icon and turn on all notifications, because I bring you learning and earning content related to forex and crypto markets every day absolutely free. So don't miss any part of the video, and I hope it will definitely help you fine tuning your trading strategy for this currency pair today. Let's start the video now. Hi boss, welcome back to Crypto Trader. I am in 4-ish time frame to look for my possible trade opportunities in USD CAD today. I see a clear downtrend in this time frame, but then look at this recent behavior of the price. The price made this 1, 2 and 3 move in the upward direction and closed above this trend line. But when the price attempted a new higher high, it failed and gave us a double top here, and I see an immediate decline in the price afterwards. This is the last swing low of this downtrend, and in a downtrend the price don't respect a swing low as a possible support level for the price. But here the situation is different. The price is not in a downtrend anymore because it is trading well away the trend line. So in this case, this low can provide a possible support to the price. So I create a zone here at this level. This zone is between 1.2452 and $1.2463. Now I will drop down to 1H or 15 minutes time frame to look for the price behavior in this zone. If price gives me a long opportunity here in this zone by giving me a long wick rejection candle to the bottom, or a double bottom, or a bullish momentum candle, then I will go long from here. And if the price breaks and closes below my zone, then I will wait for a retest of this support level as a possible resistance level for the price, and try to look for the possible short reason here in my trading zone. And if I get any short reason here, I will open my short trade here in this zone. Conclusively, I can say that this is the zone I am eyeing on to look for my possible long or short trade opportunity today. This is all for USD CAD analysis today. Well, you can do your own research and do not consider it a financial advice. Let me assure you one thing, nobody knows what is market going to do next. Being an experienced trader, we can just try to analyze the market conditions and create best trading opportunities out of it. If you like this video, please do give me a favor and like the video for me, as it really helps in YouTube algorithm. And if you want me to make a video on any currency pair, please comment below and I will try my best to make a video on that topic at earliest possible. Good luck, happy trading.